Right, we've got a vectors question here, and they've not helpfully, as it were, not put anything on the diagram. They've just written a load of words, which is slightly annoying. But there you go. PQS is a triangle. X is the midpoint of QS. Y is the midpoint of PS. R is the point of intersection of PX and QY. V is the point so that VQXS is a straight line. PQ equals A. Excellent. There we go. PQ equals A and PS equals B. So if I want to go for part A, Q to S, I've got to go minus A plus B, minus A plus B. There you go, pretty easy. If you put B minus A, it's the same thing. Q to Y would be minus A plus a half B. Again, if you put a half B minus A, that's also fine. Now P to X is Q to S, right, okay, Q to S plus... so it's QS plus PQ, because actually I don't want to go. So essentially it's a half A plus a half B. Alright, because essentially, here we go, if I go from Q to S, oops, jeepers, that's really bad. Anyway, alright, if I go from Q to S, alright, which I already know, which is this here, part A, which actually is halfway. But actually I haven't done this bit, have I? Okay, so I've got to add that back on. Alright, so what I end up getting is the half of minus A plus B plus A. Alright, which gives me that there. Right, it says P has coordinates 3, 1. PR is a 2/3 of PX. PR is 2/3 of PX. Okay, so that's 2 to 1 there. Alright, now if I go PR is 4, 2, so that means that PX is 6, 3, because PR was 2/3 of that, and 2/3 of 6 is 4. Alright, 2/3 of 6 is 4, and 2/3 of 3 is 2. So there we go. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. Oh, and I should have put an arrow above PX. Now then, X therefore is the point 9, 4. Now I've got that from 3, 1. Right, adding 6 to the X, which gives me 9, adding 3 to the 1, which gives me 4. So PX is 9, 4. So therefore, what am I doing? Work out the coordinates of V, and XV is minus 5, 4. So I've got to minus 5 from 9, which gives me 4. And I've got to add 4 to 4, and that gives me 8. So I'm applying this here, and I'm adding this here. Alright, so 9 minus 5 gives me 4, 4 plus 4 gives me 8, and there you go, there's the point V. It's a slightly odd vectors question actually, you don't normally get them like that, but yeah, pretty straightforward if you think it through.